we believe here at JT's Vending, if you don't know better, then you can't do better. And everybody has heard that phrase. But here at JT's Vending, we teach people how, young people mostly, but just how to find clarity and purpose with their personal finances. Simply put, our goal is to teach them like how to earn money while they in the midst of like serving other people. And that's how we feel is, that serving others can build wealth. And it was that lack of knowledge that we didn't understand, or I didn't understand at first, that helped me become the man I am today. Because now with like serving so many people and communicating and talking to you guys on YouTube and TikTok and just the amazing feedback that I'm getting, I truly appreciate it. So we believe the earlier that you can build good money habits with your children or at an early age, the earlier you can take control of your life. Because I know a lot of people don't like this phrase, but I like it and I live by it. Money is power. Because when I'm saying power, I mean it in a sense of not power as you're stronger than somebody or you're overpowering someone, but I mean power in the sense of options. Like you have the options to take off work, take a 2-week vacation. You have options to turn your heat up when it's cold outside, or turn the AC up when it's hot. Because you're not worried about the bill, you'll pay it and you'll go about your day. But you have the finances to do that. Have an emergency fund when your tie goes flat or something like that. Like that to me means power. Because if you look on the opposite side of that, if you're living paycheck to paycheck, you're powerless, essentially. You have minimum power or almost none, because if you try to do anything other than get up and go to work, anything outside of that, you can party, but you're going to have to cut the party short, or you're going to be broker than you previously were before you went to party. So money is power from our point of view. And millions of Americans right now, this is Thanksgiving morning at 10:05. Millions of Americans right now are living paycheck to paycheck. And the crazy part, a lot of them are by choice. And in order for you to win with money, what I've learned, you only need about 20% head knowledge, and about 80% of it is behavior change. So once you change your behavior around money, you pretty much in there. It don't take much. You just have to decide to do it. So